So unfortunately it wasn't the spark plug that's causing the issue, it's something else, and I do need to figure it out. The car still isn't starting. So I replaced the 4 spark plugs and it did not fix my cold start issue. The car still struggles to start in the cold. So the culprit could be the distributor here as well, which supplies the electricity to the spark plugs. So it could either be the distributor or the distributor cap. So I'll know that only after I remove the distributor cap, and for that I need to remove this intake pipe first. So if I remove this screw over here, this intake pipe should come out, and then I'll have access to remove the distributor cap, and then we'll inspect it.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life.
Okay, so once the intake hose is out, now I think if you remove these 2 screws, you can remove the distributor cap. So let's get to removing those screws. So we'll use this star screw to open the screws. So I got an extension to get to this screw. So clearly I think the issue is here with the distributor cap. As you can see, it's corroded. All the ends are corroded here. Even the center portion is corroded. So I definitely do need to change the cap. Even the distributor rotor seems to be corroded. So I do need to replace that as well. So I got all the parts for the DIY. I got the ignition lead set, which was $20. The brand is OEX. This is the same brand that I used for my starter motor as well. This is the distributor cap. It cost me $44. It's made in Japan. As you can see here, there's no corrosion inside. This is how the distributor cap should look like. And apart from this, I also got the distributor rotor. It's from a brand called Fuel Miser. The distributor cap is also from a brand called Fuel Miser. And for our car, this is the part number 311998005481. It's made in Italy. That's strange. That Fuel Miser is made in Japan, and this is made in Italy. So this is how the distributor rotor looks like. Okay, so let's install them. So first let's replace the distribution rotor. Now make sure that you place it back in the same position. Like you can see this golden part pointing upwards. So this is exactly how the new rotor should also be placed. So it's important because it has its own timing. If you place it in any other direction, it will create issues. So remove the old rotor and place the new one in the exact same direction. Now we'll be placing the new one in the exact same place. Now before replacing the distributor cap, what's important is that all the wires should go in the same direction. Like these ignition leads are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, but the new ones that I got are not numbered. So the first lead should go exactly at the first spot that's numbered here. You cannot change it, as that will cause issues. So this is how it is. The second lead comes here, the first lead comes here, the fourth one here, and the third one is here. So this is exactly how you need to place the leads.
This ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight.
So let's remove the ignition leads.
Yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No.
So how you can remember this is that if you see the old cap, the old distribution cap, there's a black protrusion here, so this is pointed upwards. So likewise, when you place the new cap, this black protrusion you see here should be pointing upwards, and the first ignition lead would go here, the second would go here, and the third one would go here, and the fourth one here. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it is over here. 1, 2, and the third one here, and the fourth one here. So even numbers here, odd numbers here, 1 and 3, 2 and 4. So that's how the lead should go. So yeah, let's do it. So I removed the distribution cap and cables. We'll just keep it this way just to see the order. This is the longest. 1, 2. Okay.
What I got at times too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more.
Okay, the first one again goes here.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute.
One, two.
Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing.
The third one goes here.
They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spot.
And the fourth one goes here, like so.
Lights, no, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything
And so this is how you connect it.
that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights.
Now let's try starting the car now. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try starting the car. No, I think the distributor is out.